Purchasing term and conditions. The agreement. This page, together with the documents referred to on it together, called the agreement, tells you the terms and conditions on which AAAShop supplies any services and or products listed on AAAShop's website, from which you can access this page, including, in particular, www.AAAshop.ie, called the website, and or purchased via the Customer Sales Center. This agreement was last amended on September 15, 2009. You acknowledge that you have not relied on any statement, promise or representation made or given by or on behalf of AAAShop which is not set out on this agreement. Nothing in this condition excludes or limits AAAShop's liability for fraudulent misrepresentation. The agreement, including any documents referred to in it, may be revised from time to time by AAAShop. Therefore, the agreement, including any documents referred to in it, should be read carefully before ordering products from AAAShop each time you intend to make a purchase. In this agreement, you and your means both you and or the person, organization or entity on whose behalf you are acting. Information about us. This website and the Customer Sales Center is operated by AAAShop. AAAShop's VAT number is IE4665555E. AAAShop can be contacted at AAAShop, Post Office Box 11583, Dublin 12, Ireland. Any complaints can be addressed to AAAShop at the above address or contact details. Acceptance of agreement. Please read the agreement, including any documents referred to in it, carefully before ordering any products from AAAShop. It should be understood that by clicking I accept and ordering any products via the website, you, including any person, organization or entity on whose behalf you are acting, agree to be legally bound by the agreement, including any documents referred to in it, and confirm your understanding of it. If you refuse to accept the agreement or any part of it, you will not be able to order any products from this website. If you are making an order via the Customer Sales Center, a copy of this agreement will be sent to you by email, and you, including any person, organization or entity on whose behalf you are acting, will be deemed, with effect from the time the order was submitted, to have agreed to be legally bound by and confirmed your understanding of this agreement, including any documents referred to in it, except if you cancel the contract. Any cancellation of the contract must be undertaken in accordance with Clause 4.4 or Clause 9. If you make an order via the Customer Sales Center, you may cancel the contract or order within one day of the receipt by your email account of the agreement. AAAShop recommends that you print or save a copy of the agreement, including any documents referred to in it, for future reference. Customer status. By placing an order through this website or the Customer Sales Center, you agree and warrant that you are legally capable of entering into this agreement, and on behalf of any person, organization or entity on whose behalf you are acting. You, a natural person, are at least 18 years old. The information you provide to AAAShop for the purpose of ordering products or services is complete and accurate. If you are acting on behalf of a business, company or organization, such business, company or organization is sufficiently creditworthy and able to cover the cost of purchases by you. Any breach of Clause 5.1 will entitle AAAShop to immediately terminate the agreement and any contract by notice to you, and without any liability to you whatever. How to order. Orders can be placed and order input errors can be corrected by calling the Customer Sales Center. After placing an order, you will receive an email from AAAShop acknowledging that AAAShop has received your order and confirming the price, delivery charge and specification of the product order. Please note that this does not mean that your order has been accepted by AAAShop. Your order constitutes an offer from you to us to buy a product subject to this agreement. All orders are subject to acceptance by AAAShop and availability. AAAShop will confirm its acceptance of your order by sending you an email that confirms that your order has been accepted, which email is called the purchase confirmation and not otherwise. A legally binding contract between AAAShop and you, called the contract, will only be formed when we send you the purchase confirmation. The contract will relate only to those products identified in the purchase confirmation. AAAShop is not obliged to supply any other products which may have been part of your order until acceptance of your order in this respect has been confirmed in a separate purchase confirmation. AAAShop accepts no responsibility and will not be liable in any way to you if the products ordered are unavailable or if an order is rejected, not accepted or not rejected. Products ordered by you are specially ordered and, in some cases, custom built accordingly. An order or contract for products may not be cancelled, revoked or terminated by you except as expressly provided in this agreement or, in specific cases, with AAAShop's prior written consent. An attempted revocation of an order will only be effective if AAAShop confirms its receipt of, and agreement to, the revocation within one business day of the notification first being sent. Please note that no terms or conditions endorsed on, delivered with or contained in your order, confirmation of order, specification or other document or communication supplied by you form part of this agreement or any contract as a result of such document or communication being referred to in the contract or otherwise. This agreement prevails over any terms and conditions put forward by you and no conduct of AAAShop constitutes acceptance of any terms or conditions put forward by you unless AAAShop expressly agrees to them in writing by express reference to this clause. Description of products. You are solely responsible for using your skill and judgment to choose the products and their specification which are suitable for your purposes and needs and ensuring that they are compatible with any other products or systems you have. The products supplied except ABS products are generally manufactured by a third-party manufacturer and resold by AAAShop in accordance with the manufacturer's standard specifications as these are revised by the manufacturer from time to time. AAAShop accordingly reserves the right to supply products with a different specification to that ordered where the ordered product is unavailable to AAAShop provided that the supplied product has equivalent functionality, performance and price to that ordered. If you exercise your right of cancellation in accordance with Clause 8 in respect of any equivalent product so supplied, AAAShop will bear the cost of returning the product. AAAShop will supply products to you subject to, and in accordance with, this agreement and the relevant contract. The quantity, specifications and description of the products is as set out in the purchase confirmation. All samples, drawings, descriptive matter, specifications and advertising issued or made available by AAAShop and any descriptions or illustrations contained in AAAShop's catalogs, brochures or on the website are issued or published for the sole purpose of giving an approximate idea of the products described in them. They do not form part of the contract and this is not a sale by sample. AAAShop status. Please note that in some cases, AAAShop may accept orders as agent on behalf of third-party resellers. The resulting legal contract in such cases is between you and the relevant third-party reseller and not between you and AAAShop, and is subject to the terms and conditions of the relevant third-party reseller. The third-party reseller will advise you of their terms and conditions directly. AAAShop recommends that you read any third-party reseller's terms and conditions carefully before proceeding with an order. AAAShop will notify you if and when AAAShop accepts orders as an agent on behalf of a third-party reseller. Where AAAShop acts as an agent, AAAShop may disclose your information which relates to an order to the relevant third-party reseller in connection with the order. In such circumstances, you consent and agree to such information which may include your personal information being shared with a third-party reseller. AAAShop may also provide links on this website to the websites of other companies and persons, whether affiliated with AAAShop or not. AAAShop does not give any undertaking or assurance whatsoever that any products or services purchased from third-party resellers through this website, or from companies or persons to whose website AAAShop has provided a link on this website, will comply with the terms of any third-party reseller's contract, will be fit for purpose, of merchantable quality and or match its description. Any such warranties and any other terms, conditions and or warranties expressed or implied by common law, statute or otherwise are expressly disclaimed and excluded by AAAShop. The disclaimer in Clause 7.3 does not affect your statutory rights against the third-party reseller.